2, 1.
We're on a race car. Lock it down.
Watch the bottom. Big push behind him. Low. They're wrecking.
That was close.
Green checkers. Nice job. Woo! How about that, boys?
All right, driver. Playoff start today, baby. Nice and smooth. Just let us know what you need. You gotta make it happen.
Now the pressure is up.
Got us a hell of an opportunity to get some here in stage 1, so just got to capitalize.
So we've had ups and downs, but we've had a lot of ups. We can do it. Have faith in yourself. Have faith in everybody. So have fun. Be safe. All right, guys. 10 weeks. Championship start. See you.
The second time he's done this. Literally ran us all the way to the wall.
Right side here, guys. I don't see any smoke unless you're seeing stuff inside. They're getting to look at the pictures.
It's early for the 12 to be blocking like that. What the 38 out of my damn lane, please.
What is the third team doing?
Running for a championship, bud, if you saw his Instagram.
Joey Logano's going to do it. He wins stage 1 at Las Vegas.
Doug, in second gear.
Use a jack stand and we'll try to see if we can knock it out of gear.
Come to you, it's pretty up. Still too loose everywhere.
You're just a little edgy. We're trying 22. Sliding all around. We've lost overall grip here this run.
Figure this out. Plowing, and then it's loose.
30 years just so bad, it's just out of control.
Back to Benedetto, took the air off the 22 car in 1 and 2. That allowed Truex to close in down the front straightaway.
You got nowhere to go. You got some momentum right here. Come on with it, come on. Oh, hell yeah. New leader, 19.
He's going to win stage 2 at Vegas.
Stage winner, MTJ, come on. Hit me in the left rear.
Gotcha. 10-4.
Flat.
Clear down.
Be smart, keep it under control here.
Get it pointed and get to pit road. Come on, get to pit road.
Smoking back there behind him, the 1 and the 9.
Got smoke here. A bit of tire smoke.
Tires down.
A lap too late into the wall he goes.
I'm all right. Yeah, we're all right. Thing's on fire, though. How about this, hero? Round of 8. Way to kick off this playoffs, buddy. Nice job. Race winner, Mark Truex Jr.
Yeah, boys. Welcome back. Woo! Hell yeah, man. Awesome job. Well, good job, guys. What a race car. Appreciate it, Cole. You gave me exactly what I needed, buddy.